You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 46,008.304. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values, put zeros in the blank number places. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 0 plus 4, equals 4. 2 plus 7 plus 1, equals 10. Carry 1 to the tenths place. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4, equals 13. Carry 1 to the ones place. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, equals 8. 8 plus 4, equals 20. Carry 2 to the hundreds place. 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7, equals 20. Carry 2 to the thousands place. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1, equals 16. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, equals 4. And so the final result is 46,008.304.